So hi guys, I've ordered this anti-fog and water repellent spray from Amazon for around 150. So I bought this for this monsoon season. So now just I'm applying it on my helmet visor part over here so that when I'm riding my bike, it keeps my vision clear. So now just like wiping it off with a microfiber. So once you apply this, leave your helmet for a few minutes and now just spraying a few water particles to see if it actually works or not. Pieces fitting tight in the rhyme, snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. So this is actually an effective product and you can use this for your side mirrors, for your windshield, and check it out guys. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.